I'm Gurdeep Singh, the Managing Director of the Simran Holiday. We are from India. We are sitting here to attend the RIMNI conference of tourism, the fair of tourism, to promote Indian tourism here in Italy. We have so many clients, so many tourist sport in India to develop for the Italian tourism. These kinds of fair and relations always makes the relation better between the two countries. Olympic is going to be held in India in October next year, and we are ready for this games. It is one of the biggest event going to be held in India for the Olympic Games, and we attract the people from Commonwealth to visit India, and the tourism will promote by that way. The hotel industry, the transportations, and the foreign currency we earn more by this way, and the reputation. Moreover, the reputation of India will be increased in this way, enhance of the reputation of in the eyes of world. By tourism, we earn the both country get the foreign currency and the better relation. Tourism is the one way of understanding the culture of the both of the country. The people involved in it will know the culture, the relations, the goodwillness, the progress. It's involved in this tourism. We congratulate on the Italy for unification on its occasion of 150 year has to completed. India has a good the commercial, the tourism relation with the Italy for a long time. Both countries has a very rich heritage of cultures, and both country has a mutual relation in tourism and other aspect of the life. It is the rich culture of the Italy. The people come here, and it is a country of the Christianity. The Rome is the highest city of the Christianity. The people come and see the tourism, the religious and the scenery of the tourism. Italy. Hi, we have four consulate, one embassy in New Delhi, and four consulate. One of the consulate in Bombay, and in Chennai, and in Calcutta, and more and more Italian companies are working in India. More than 1 lakh Italian people living in India.